So I'm back again with the Hot Wheels Red Truck series. I'm gonna be doing a speed check on these, so I'm gonna check how fast they go. I'm gonna start calculating the average, so I'll do 3 shots each, and then I'll average them out. So this little speedometer I think measures in feet per second. Not sure if I said that in my last video, and I'm not sure how to get it into mile per hour, but I think it's that number divided by 64. But I'm still going to just put it in whatever this radar says, the speedometer says. So 2 of these trucks may or may not fit on here. I think this Tundra one might not, and this custom Ford Bronco. Now, I'm going to be launching them as numbers, the number here and here. So this one's the first one. I'm going to go 1 through 8. If 1 doesn't show up, won't go on the track, or in the launching gate, they might not get a score at all. So, yeah, so what I want you to do is, before the race starts, to pick which truck you think is going to win. This one again and that one again may not be counted because of the wheels, but maybe it'll fit, but I haven't tried it yet. So, got the first truck is the 2008 Ford F-150. Next truck is the custom 69 Chevy pickup. Next one is the 79 Ford pickup. Fourth one is the Datsun 620. That's the one I'm going to be picking. The fifth one is the Nissan Titan. The sixth one is the custom Ford Bronco. That's probably the one that won't fit, but we could check. Next one is the Chevy Silverado. That's number 7. Number 8 is the 10 Toyota Tundra. Like I said, that one may not fit. Okay, so we'll put the camera down, put it here, and we'll check the speed. Okay. First car is the 2008 Ford F-150. Let me get my calculator ready. Measure everything on the calculator. So what I do is I put the first score in, plus the next score, plus the next score, and then figure out what it is and divide it by 3. And that's how you figure out averages. Okay, so the 2008 Ford F-150. Let's see if he fits on the track. Yeah, he fits on the track, so turned it on. A little more view of the track. Okay. And on YouTube, you can actually slow down this video if you want. I probably won't be doing that. I don't like how that looks. But let's see. 380. So we add that. Next. 379. And the last shot is 379. So that should average out to be around 379, but we'll check. Right, 3 equals, yeah, around 379. So the average for this one's 379. Oops. With a top speed of 380. Okay, and that was this guy. Put him right here. Next one is this, let's take it out. Custom 69 Chevy pickup. I didn't show these in the Red Trucks video I had, because I wanted to show them here. Nice truck, too. Okay. Get him in the launcher, get my calculator set up here. Does he fit? Looks like 378. Okay. Let's add the next one. 378. And last one. Might be around 378. Oh, not gonna count that one. It flew right off the track. 392. Yeah, that went faster, that one. Let's do another one, but now we'll have a 4th average. And 375. So the top speed for this one was 392. Write that down. But the average, we'll figure that out. Divide it by 4, since I did it 4 times. It's 380, so This one averaged out to be higher than the first one. Put them right here. Okay. Next car is 79 pickup. 79 Ford pickup. My bad. Nice brown color. This reminds me of the 2015 Tampos for the Datsun that they had. I don't think that bed comes off, or at least not easily. Okay, we'll set him in the launcher. He may be slower, but we'll check. Oh, didn't even make the track, so that score doesn't count. Oh, now he's hitting on that car. Looks like he could be going faster than the others. Oh, man. This one seems to be hitting on something. Let's make sure the track ain't messed up. 318, okay. Clean score. I want to calculate it where it's not hitting on something. There. Oh, that one can't be counted. 385 on this one. Might have to do 4 just to calculate a little better. Since the first one was so low. Let's see here. 372. And we'll do another one since it messed up on the first one. It was real slow. 349. And top speed was 385. Equals, and divide it by the number of times I did it. So 356 is the average for this one. This one. Okay, the next one is the Datsun 620, the one that everybody loves. It's a real light truck. I think it's lighter than the first three I did. Get my calculator ready. And first score, 382. Let's do that again since it kind of messed up here. I think it was 382. 381. I didn't really see that. 397. And let's do one final one. Oh, 436. Okay. Divided by 3 equals 404. So he's got the highest score so far. And his top speed was 436. So far he has the Datsun has the highest average and the highest top speed. But let's try it one more time to see what it comes up. Won't be counting. 395. So we'll just use the scores we already got. Okay, the fifth truck is the Nissan Titan. This one. Nice low down truck. Okay. Now I keep my hand at the end of the track so it doesn't fly off the table and disappears. So that could be why it's bouncing back. I don't know if I could put something there instead of my hand. But let's see. Get my calculator ready. 333. Okay. 332. And the last one. 331. Okay, we'll tally that up. 333 was the top speed. And the average is 332 is his average. And that was the Nissan Titan. Okay, the sixth one, we'll see if he fits on the track. Yeah, he does. So, this is the custom Ford Bronco. Nice big truck. Okay, get my calculator ready. And let's see. Well, that didn't work. Flew right off. Damn. Oop, he just seems to keep hitting the radar. Yeah. It just seems to be falling off. Yeah. Oh, I can't even get a clean score on this one, so maybe I'll just have to... It fits on the track, it just keeps banging into the thing. Let's see if it even clears it. No, if it doesn't move too much. Yeah, it just seems to keep banging into it. Yeah, I don't know if I can get a clean score on it. Yeah. This one probably won't be calculated. He fits on the track, but won't even make it through the line. Let's see here. Oops, don't have the launcher ready. So there's the launcher. Let's see if I can. Yeah, he keeps banging right into the speedometer. I don't know if there's any way I can get him in there unless I did like a downhill or something. Okay, 447. Well, at least I got a score off him. Okay. Yeah, it might be tough. I probably won't be able to get another one. Let's see here. No. So this might be the average score of 447 if I can't get another shot. I don't know why it went through one time. Let's see. Yeah, still doesn't seem to be working properly. Okay, 403, so we got another score. $3.59. Let's do it another time because how I set it in the launcher, I only put it a little farther away from it, so that way it won't fly off the track. So it, so it's not being fair to it. Let's see. I'm just putting it in here, not all the way back, just slightly back, so that this one might have an asterisk score. Let's try them again. Yeah. Yeah, so I have 3 scores so far from it. I might have to just use the 3 I already got. Yeah. Okay, we got. Oop. Oh dang. Oh dang. Calculator messed up. Okay, let's see, where did I miss it? So 447 was the top speed for the Bronco, as I could get it. Okay, something messed up on my calculator. Okay, there we go. Figured it out. Okay, 403 was his average. Okay, next one is the Chevy Silverado. Hopefully this one will shoot better. $3.26. $3.14. $3.24. Okay, so the top speed on this one was 326. And average is 321. Okay, in the last truck, if it'll fit, no, I don't think it'll fit, so yeah, it might fly right off the track. Probably won't even fit in the launcher, no. So the Tundra obviously will be in last place because it cannot qualify because it's too big for the track and it won't fit in the launcher. It'll fit right here though. So I don't know if I can get them into here. Yeah, it's not fitting on the track. So last place is your Toyota Tundra. I'll be back with the official calculations. We'll see you in a few minutes. So I'm back with the placeage for all these cars. So obviously again, this Toyota 2010 Toyota Tundra did not place at all. So he'll be in 8th or no place, we'll call it, I guess, since he did not get a score. But first place, and this was my guess, was the Datsun 620 truck. Up next, it was the custom Ford Bronco. Let's see, what were the top speeds? I forgot to say that. Top speed for the Datsun was 436. The Bronco, let's see here. Custom Bronco. This one right here. Custom Ford Bronco, the top speed was 447. Average 403. Okay, the next one is the Custom 69 Chevy pickup. Top 392, average was 380. And I calculated using the average. Next, it's 2008 Ford F-150. Top was 380. Average was 379. The 79 Ford pickup, I think it's this one, right? It was 356 was the average. Top was 385. Nissan Titan. The average was 332 with a top of 333, so you had a consistent score. And the last one was the Chevy Silverado, which had an average of 331 with a top speed of 336. So there you have it. All the trucks were speed tested except the Tundra because that one wasn't fit. So I might put the scores in the description, but that's it. That's all the trucks from the truck series scored on the speedometer. You can like, share, comment, subscribe to my videos, and have a nice day. Hope you find this set if you want it. But it's gonna be hard because this one was the one everybody's fighting for. But that's it. Have a nice day again.